Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today with another video. I kind of been taking a while to get this video out just because I feel like everything is still not perfect the way I want it to be. I know it takes time. There will be one thing that I buy and they'll be like, wait, I'm gonna switch this up or that up. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys today my kitchen. I'm so excited just because I put so much work into it. I love organizing. Show you guys like how I organize my kitchen, how I decorated it, and like kind of like my aesthetic. So if you wanna go ahead and see how my kitchen looks, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this section here. So I would consider this like my little bar area, cabinets up there, and then I have a little wine cooler down there. So up here I just have a pumpkin, this little sign that I got from TJ Maxx that says my happy place, a little bar sign there, and then my candle, I just have my phone there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with these cabinets up here. So I have like a wine opener there, my teapot, and then I have just teacups here. This is actually my favorite cup right now. I got that from Target. I believe it was like $5. I feel like it's just so perfect for the fall. And then here I just have these plastic cups that say I'll have a double shot of whatever my kids are on. I usually have these just because my sisters come over a lot and they have a lot of kids. So I'll just give them like a little cup of that. I also got these napkins. I think these napkins are actually super cute. It says, please leave by 10 p.m. I don't really mean it, but I just thought they were cute. Right over here, I have wine cups, shot cups, and then up there, I have a couple more wine cups, and then I have some champagne glasses. And then just a couple of teas back there. And then going down here, I actually have this little drawer. I just kind of keep teas there. And then down here, I just keep like bottles, margarita mixes. And then this is basically my like wine cooler. I don't really have that much alcohol here right now. So this is kind of a little overview of what my kitchen looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and go through all the cabinets. So right over here, I just have this diffuser. It smells really good. I got that from Target. Right now I have, I believe it's eucalyptus. It smells really good. Right here I have this fake plants. These are from IKEA. I also have these placemats. These ones are from Home Goods. I have these chairs that I got from Amazon. I'll go ahead and try to link the link down below. Here is just my trash can. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start right over here. These on top of my fridge. I have all of my machines as far as my air fryer, my rice maker, my toaster, my blender, and I also have an orange juice maker. And then here I just have my fridge. I'm so obsessed with this little magnet. It's a little Chanel magnet. I'm not gonna really show you guys what I have in my fridge. That's just a little glance. I'll go ahead and do a separate video on organizing my fridge. So then we go right over on this side. This is gonna be considered my pantry. So here I have these little spinner things. I think I'm in handy just because you don't have to be reaching towards the back to grab something. Here I just keep all of my hot sauces. Back there I just keep all my sauces like oil, ketchup, etc. These containers, I got them from IKEA. I have sugar, granola, oats, rice, cocoa, and raisins. And then right over there, I keep all my extras. So whenever I need to like refill these or like my spices, I do keep them up there. And then right over here, these little boxes, I got them from TJ Maxx. And here I just kind of have like my fruit. I don't really have that much fruit right now. I have to go to the market. And then on the second section, I have all of like my bread, rices. The third section, I have cereals. And then right over here at the bottom, I have all my drinks like sodas, waters. I have these, I forgot what these are called. Oh, Kool-Aids. I have these little Kool-Aids when my nieces and nephews come over. Honestly, since I moved here, I've been having them. They haven't even touched them. But yeah, I have all my drinks down there. So this is basically all my pantry. And then right over on this side, I think this is so funny how these cabinets are gray and these are just like wooden. It just does not make any sense to me, but whatever, it is what it is. So then right over here, I have all like my vitamins, my meds up there, like any painkillers. I keep all of my juicing cups here, my gym cups, and then I have all my supplements there. And that's the second cabinet. Right over here, I just have a little bit of pampas grass, pink little drawer, and then I just like to keep these pink napkins here. I just think they look really pretty and they stand out. And then right over here in this drawer, I keep all of my spices. I actually just ordered this thing from Amazon. I am obsessed with it. Just because before I used to just kind of have them laying out, and when I would open this drawer, they would just move everywhere. So this container keeps them in their place. And I'll go ahead and link down this container down below. And then going on to the next little cabinet, I have all of like my baking stuff here. And then down here I have all of like my party plasticware, I would say. Like plastic plates, napkins. And then I have like these cute little popcorn things. So whenever my friends come over, we want to make popcorn. I got those from 99-cent store. And then going right over to this section, nothing so exciting, just my stove. My microwave, and then up here I just have my juice maker just because it doesn't fit on the other cabinets. Right over on this side I usually keep all of my cups, shaker cups, glass cups, and then my little jar. And then here just on my plates, yes, I have pink plates. Everybody always comes here and they're like, oh my god, everything's so pink in your kitchen. Well, not really everything, but I mean I have little pops of pink, like the napkins there, the pampas grass, this little towel here. But yeah, I love pink, and I just thought I gave it like a cute pop of color. And then right over here I just have an eucalyptus candle. It smells so good. Right here I have just another napkin holder. I usually use these napkins more than I use those pink ones just because those look cute there. And then this knife holder here. And then going on to my drawers, I have straws. These straws right here, these paper ones, are horrible. I don't know why I still have them here. Should probably toss them. But when you use these to try to drink soda, they're just so small that they do not work. And then here I just have chopsticks. Right over on this drawer I have spoons, forks, knives, and then I just kind of keep this for like my cereal, chips, all that extra stuff. And then this is so funny, I actually just ordered these not that long ago. I love eating soup like pho or ramen. So I just bought these. I got them from Shein. They're actually like $2 for 2 spoons. And then I forgot to mention, I got this thing. It's still kind of wet because I had just washed it. But this one, I got it from Home Goods. So cute. It goes with the table counters. And then right over here, I just keep my pans and my containers. These containers, I use them for like fruits. I use these for meal prepping. And then back there, I use those for like all of my meats. And then I just kind of have pots up here. And yes, my pans are pink, but they're actually getting so ugly. I got them on Amazon. They are actually pretty good. The food doesn't stick, but they kind of fade away. And so that's all of my containers and pans. Okay, so here's an overview of the sections that I just showed you guys. And then here I just have my window. And then right over here, I have this these whiteboards. So this one is the Chore Chart. I kind of try to go by that weekly so that I'm not overwhelmed with cleaning. I do recommend doing this just because I feel like sometimes like you just feel like your house is all a mess, and just breaking it down into sections just makes your life so much easier. So I bought that from Home Goods. It came with both of these, so it's the shopping list and then the chore chart. And so here I just kind of put whatever I need when I go to a grocery store. So whenever it's like filled up, that's when I know I need to go to the market. That's that. And then here I just have this little bowl from IKEA. Just put like these little decorative little bowl things. Right up here I just have a candle burning. It's apple cinnamon. Here I just have this little tray with all my dishwashing stuff. We're gonna go right over to this side. So the first drawer here, I have all of like my spatulas. And then going on to the second drawer, I have like my lemon squeezer, my pizza cutter, and all this fun stuff. And then, oh, let me tell you guys a funny story about this. So For a while, I was trying to look for a pink lemon squeezer, and I was looking at every single store like Ross, Burlington, Target, literally everywhere. And one day I just decided to go on Amazon and look it up, and it came up. I struggled so much for this lemon squeezer, and also because it's pretty big. I had ordered this one prior to this pink one, and this one's just like smaller. This one is for like limes. But yes, I found this pink lemon squeezer. I am obsessed with it. It actually works really good too. Going on to the next drawer here, I just kind of have like my Ziploc bags. This is another thing where you put like the spatulas when you're cooking. And then I just have like a little onion cutter there. Going on to my next section, here I just keep my cutting boards. I only have 2. I need to buy more. And then right over here, I have a dishwasher. To be honest, I hear a lot of people like on YouTube or just anyone in general saying, oh my god, I need a dishwasher. I have not ever used that dishwasher. Maybe I should try. Who knows, it might change my life. But I'm going on to this section here. I just keep all of like my cleaning stuff. It's not as organized as it should be. I like my sink to look very empty. So whenever I wash dishes, I just take this thing out. And so that's here. That's right under the sink. And then right over on this side, I just have a candy section. I know sometimes we get a little sweet tooth. And to be honest, I don't really eat that much candy. But when I want something, I just come to this drawer here. So I just have like chocolates, sour candies, chili candies. And oh my god, let me tell you, these Pika Pikas are the best. You guys have to try them. I bought the variety packs that comes with different like candies like sandias, peach rings. And I also have gum here. I have the flavored one, the mint one. And these candies right here, whenever I'm on strict diet, I'll just have those. Only has like 4 grams of sugar. They're really good. And then Mexican candy, oh my god, they just make my mouth so watery. So good. So this is my candy drawer. And then going on to the second drawer, I just kind of have chips here. I don't have that many right now. I usually have it fully stocked. I just been trying not to buy chips because I just keep eating them and I need to stop eating chips. And then just going on to the last drawer here, I just kind of keep a couple of more snacks. I just have popcorn there, and then just like pistachios and pretzels. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and kind of got a little inspiration to decorate your kitchens or just, you know, organizing your own space. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.